Hello from Rosie's Reviews and happy St. Patrick's Day. For this St. Patty's Day, I decided to do my gel color green. So I usually do my gel nail color, I want to say I do it once a week. The nail polish usually lasts 2 to 3 weeks, but I get tired of the color and I want to change it up. So I do it once a week, and also it starts to get hard on the edges of the skin. So that's why it kind of bothers me, and what I can do is I can file it down with the buffer that I'm showing you guys. But I just decide to change it up and do a different color. But what you do is you start by buffing each nail to get rid of the excess nail that's on the top. Sometimes it's uneven. So you make sure that you buff it all out and make sure that all the skins, all the cuticle is out. Some people like to have some cuticle remover softener, or they like to put their nails in water to just soften up that cuticle. For me, I like doing it dry just because the one that I use, this cuticle remover that I got at Sally Supply, it's really, really nice. It's most like a file, but for your cuticles. So I'm showing you guys the Gelish that I use. I start with the pH bond. So what that does, it takes away all the excess oil, and it dehydrates your skin so it gets ready to cure your nails. So then what you do next is you apply the Top It Off. And I'm just going through all the different gelish minis that I have, and some gel polish thinner as well. When the nail polish is too thick, you can add some drops. I wouldn't use the regular one just because the nail polish is a different formula that you use for curing, so I use the one that is just for gelish nails. So I apply the pH bond and make sure that everything's dried out, and then I go and continue using the top it off. So this is step 1. So it's called the Gelish Soak Off Gel Polish, and what you do is you cure it for 30 seconds, and then you begin with the gel polish. And you can do either the Gelish. There are different brands out there. I don't care. I mix them up. I don't really find a difference in the brand as long as I have my foundation, the gel color, and on top I do the Top It Off to make sure that it seals everything. So I do make sure that you do even strokes, and then at the end you kind of like go horizontally, so it kind of closes up the gel nail, and then you cure it for 30 seconds. And I want to say I do this about 3 to 4 times. So I continue applying the nail polish 3 to 4 times just to make it thicker and to make it more of the color, because if I leave it like this, it's a little bit too translucent, too transparent, and I like my color to show. I started using the kit that Sally Supply has, the Gelish Mini, and I got it was also a curing machine that came with it in the kit. It was about $100 or $6 to $100 depending on which one you get. But I had a coupon for 30%, so I got a really great deal. But then I got rid of that machine because it didn't have an auto timer. And what I did for Black Friday, I gifted myself my own curing machine, and that one has its own timer. So it's kind of nice because after 30 seconds, it turns off, so I don't have to worry about timing it or over curing my nail. So it's really nice to have a machine and invest in a different machine than what the kit originally has. Just because the kit is something that you start with, and once you like it or you don't like it, then you either upgrade to a better machine, and that's what I did. So now I'm ending with the Top It Off, and what this does, it seals all that you have done already. So you make sure you still apply it evenly, and make sure you do the ends as well to close it up. So once it's curing, it closes everything and nothing peels off. I've never had this problem where I don't do the ends and it still cures. And make sure I take off the excess gel with my other fingers. So I cure it for another 30 seconds, and there you go. That is my finished product. So the next thing, what I do is I use the Nail Surface Cleanse. It was also part of the Gelish Mini kit, but once I ran out of it, I got myself a bigger bottle. and I got that from Amazon. And once I did that, I was able to take off all that sticky residue and get rid of all that excess. And so once I'm touching things, it doesn't get stuck and no fuzzies get attached to it. So it's really great. I really recommend doing Gelish nails. At the end, you want to apply the Nourish Critical Oil that's part of the Gelish mini collection. It can also be purchased individually at Sally's Supply or any store of your convenience. And what this does, it hydrates your skin, so it's perfect finishing product. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications. And don't forget to give me a like on this video after you watch it. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you.